Now, in this video, we are going to solve the problem on the projections of points in the third quadrant, the problem number 3, by using solid software. A point is 35 mm below HP and 20 mm behind VP and 25 mm behind or in front or from RPP. Draw its projections and name the side view. So to do that, so first we'll go for the solid screen. So here you just come down to the sheet setup, go to sheet setup. I want to make it A4. You click on A4, show background, don't want, and say OK, and go to view and take fit. So once you do that, now you are in A4 size sheet. So then go to home and click on annotation, or this, you take this, and here go to Times New Roman, and then you just come down to the 4 text height and draw. Take a point is 35 mm. So here you just click over here and type problem number 3, and here you say a point is 35 mm below HP and 20 mm behind VP, and so behind VP and 25 mm behind or in front or from RPP, and draw its projection. Draw its projection and name the side view. And name the side view. So you should just come down to this and click on this and make it properties. Go to paragraph and information, write indents and spacing. You just come down to 1.5 and say OK. Now once you do that, now we go for zoom window. You bring it near to the screen and then name the side view. Now you just draw the XY line and X1, Y1 line first. So go to line command, go to sketching, click on line, and first you just set the line weight. So the line weight has to be always you draw at 0.05. So go to line. So here the ortho mode should be on, and click on intersection and then endpoint. So you just draw a line. So enter. Similarly, you just take any arbitrary point and draw the XY line, Y line. And then we need to identify the planes now, VP, HP and RPP now. You just go to sketch. So go to annotation, you click on here, you type HP, and here you type VP, and here you type RPP. Then go to zoom area, then go to sketch, come down to move. Don't copy it, you just move this and place it wherever you want. Then go to VP here and then HP here. So once you do that, then you just go to fit, come down to view and take fit. Now we need to offset this 25 mm from the X1, Y1 line. You just go to command, sketching, offset, take 25 mm, which can be seen in VP and as well as in HP. Then again you take this horizontal line and offset 20 mm above XY line, and this horizontal line below XY line by 35 mm. So you just go to offset, take the distance as 20. You select this line and offset here, and then you take 35. Below HP is seen in VP. Then go to trim corner between these two, and similarly between these two. Now from the origin, what I want is I want to draw a line inclined at 45 degrees of any distance in the counterclockwise direction is considered to be positive. So go to line, sketching, go to line, take intersection point here, which is the intersection. It's already on. You just come down to this and take intersection. And make sure that the line which is drawn is crossing this horizontal line. point. So you take 100. So enter, angle is 45 degree, which is in the clockwise direction, and you type 45 counterclockwise direction, and then you will going to get this. Then go to zoom area, then go to line and take intersection point of this, and then you draw it. And then go to fill trim corner between these two and between these two. Then go to split this line till here and split this line till here and split this line till here, like this. Once you do that, then you just click on select, you select this and delete it, and you select this like this. So that means whatever extra line is there, you just chop off of that. Then go to click on sketching, go to point, you take this end point of this, and then you take end point of this, and then you take end point of this. So once you do that, now we need to select, you need to select, go to this, and then go to select this line, and you select this line, and you make it 0.13. So that is the XY line, and then you just click on this. What is this? So it's 0.05. So now once you do that, now we need to put the point down. So once you put the point, it's already drawn, and change the height to 2. So you can see here, it is getting bigger, and make it 2 mm width. And similarly, you take this and make it 2 mm width. So once you do that, now we need to type the text. So to do that, go to home, click on sketch, and here you type P, small p, then P dash, and then P double dash. Then you just come down to this zoom area, then go to sketching, click on move, and you move this here. Similarly, you move this here, and similarly you move this here. Then go to home, or you just come down to this dimensioning, and here you just go to modify, click on text, take the text height, that is the font, as 4. Then go to units, you make it rounded off to 1. Linear dimension, which is for the time being, you take it as 1. Then you go to lines and coordinates, it is dimension and line width is to be 0.3 or 0.1. And then you just come down to general, make all these things as black. Otherwise, you will going to get it in blur color. Then you say OK and say apply. Now we go to angle between these two. You can see here it is 45 degrees. Then distance between this line and this line, the end point. So here we need to go for the vertical distance. So you take between this and you take between this. Then okay, that is basically because we have rounded off that value to ISO mm. ISO mm, click on modify, go to text, take solid edge ISO. So you just go to Times New Roman and go to the font size as 4, and then go to lines and coordinates, dimension lines as 0.1 here. Then you come down to units. So linear 0.12, you make it 1. Then you have the angular degrees. Okay. Then go to general, make it all or black. So you want this connector also as black, and say OK and apply. Now you go to distance between. You take end point of this to the intersection point of this, and it will give 20. Similarly, you take intersection part of this and you just take the end point. Then you just go to fit, go to view, take it fit, then go to zoom, and then go to home, click on dimensioning, you take endpoint to this endpoint, you make it as 25. So then you just go to sketch and you just move this outside now, like this. And similarly on this side, and similarly on this side. Now we need to type the right side view. Just go to home, click on leader. You take a center of this and you just click over this. And here you go to text and type RSV, the right side view. Then go to move and you just move it inside this. So now you come down to home, click on sketch, that is the annotation, type X and type Y, and type X1 and you type Y1. Then go to sketch, click on move, you just come down to X1, then you click on this Y and then Y1. Now we go to leader and click on the sketching. So come down to point on element, you just click over this and then you just click over this, and then this is how you will be able to create the drawing. And then go to fit, then go to view and take the fit, and you just come down to sketch, click on move and you select the entire drawing and take it and place it wherever you want. So this is how, and this drawing is one and the same. So this is how you will be able to solve this particular problem by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.